Dear students, Jai Hind, take another example. You are also required to simplify this. Here, a square plus x square, a square minus x square, all are present. Then, before doing anything, first of all, simplify this by rationalization of denominator. Rationalize the denominator. This can be written as cot inverse under root under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x square. You will multiply conjugate of denominator. Here is plus. You will multiply minus under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x square divided by under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 minus x square. Rationalize the denominator by multiplying conjugate of denominator. Conjugate means change sign. If plus, then multiply by minus. If minus, then multiply by plus. Is equal to cot inverse a minus b, that is a minus b whole square is given in numerator. That become a square. A square means radical removed 1 plus x square plus b square, that is 1 minus x square. Value of b is under root 1 minus x square and value of a is under root 1 plus x square. Square of root become root free. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 under root 1 plus x square under root 1 minus x square divided by a plus b, a minus b become a square minus b square, that is under root 1 plus x square whole square minus under root 1 minus x square whole square is equal to cot inverse. This x square become cancelled. 1 plus 1 become 2. 2 minus 2 under root. This root become common, like this under root x under root y become under root xy. Using this concept, under root 1 plus x square under root 1 minus x square become under root 1 plus x square 1 minus x square. This again become a minus b, a plus b become a square minus b square, that is 1 minus x square whole square. This become under root 1 minus under root 1 minus x square whole square, a square minus b square. So minus 2 1 minus x square whole square divided by square and radical become cancelled out. 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square. This become cot inverse 2 1 minus under root 1 minus x square whole square divided by 1 minus 1 become cancelled. X square minus minus plus x square again 2x square is equal to single cot inverse This two become cancelled. 1 minus under root 1 minus x square whole square divided by x square. Now if we assume x square as a variable, then here a square minus x square can be assumed, square of x square. So therefore let x square is equal to sin theta, because if a square minus x square is given, we put x is equal to a sin theta. So here a square minus x square whole square is given. So therefore we will put x square is equal to a sin theta. Now this again become equal to cot inverse 1 minus under root 1 minus sin square theta, because value of x square is substituted as sin theta. Here value of a is 1. 1 minus x square whole square, value of a is 1. Therefore x square is equal to a sin theta. 1 minus under root 1 minus sin square theta divided by value of x square is written as sin theta is equal to cot inverse 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and root plus under root cos square theta become cos theta. 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 using formula for cos 2 theta discussed in previous lecture, upon 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now if you open this bracket, 1 minus 1 become cancelled, minus minus plus become 2, 2 cancelled from 2, sin cancelled from sin, it become equal to cot inverse sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 is equal to cot inverse tan theta by 2. Now I have told you that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore cot inverse tan theta by 2 can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse tan theta by 2. Assume tan theta by 2 as x or capital theta, then cot inverse theta equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse theta. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 implies cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Using this concept, cot inverse tan pi by cot inverse tan theta by 2 will be equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse tan theta by 2 is equal to inverse direct become cancelled, pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus what is theta? We have written x square is equal to sin theta. So this implies we have substituted x square is equal to sin theta implies theta is equal to sin inverse x square. So pi by 2 minus half theta, that is sin inverse x square. This is your simplified version. Now sometimes standard questions are not given. For that you are required to memorize standard formula of direct trigonometry and inverse trigonometry. For example, take another question. You are required to simplify tan inverse 6x minus 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12x square minus tan inverse 4x upon 1 minus 4x square. Here there is no any pattern discussed today. This can be assumed as written as 2x whole cube. And case is of tan inverse. Now this expression looks like formula for tan 3 theta, and this is formula for tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Its inverse version is 2 tan inverse x is equal to single tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is pattern. And tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Its inverse version is 3 tan inverse x is equal to single tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Both these expressions are present here. So therefore, let 2x is equal to tan theta. Then tan inverse 6x minus 8x cube 1 minus 12x square minus tan inverse 4x upon 1 minus 4x square can be written as tan inverse 2 3 into 2x minus 2x cube upon 1 minus 3 into 2x whole square minus tan inverse 2 into 2x upon 1 minus 2x whole square. Now it is clearly of the form this and this. Put 2x is equal to tan theta because these are expressions of tan. So let 2x equal to tan theta implies theta is equal to tan inverse 2x is equal to single tan inverse 3. 2x is tan theta. 3 tan theta minus 2x cube means tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta minus tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan inverse tan 3 theta using this expression minus tan inverse tan 2 theta is equal to inverse direct become cancelled. It become 3 theta minus 2 theta is equal to simply theta. Now what is theta? Tan inverse 2x is equal to tan inverse 2x. This is your simplified answer. In this manner you can solve remaining questions of your exercise related to identity and numerical questions. If there is any unsolved question, ask me immediately. Thank you.